Are you struggling to find a compact, low-power display for your IoT projects? Often, standard screens are either too power-hungry or require complex wiring that just makes your portable build look like a mess of cables. One option that has been gaining interest is this ESP32-S3 FN8 board, which features an integrated paper-style display. It aims to solve the problem of visual feedback in a small, self-contained footprint. At the heart of this unit is the ESP32-S3 chip, paired with an SX1262 LoRa module. It's designed for those who need to balance wireless connectivity with clear, static information display. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. The 212 by 104 pixel display is specifically suited for low-refresh telemetry data. It's not for high-speed animation, but for showing sensor readings or status updates, it works quite well. LoRa wireless paper ESP32-S3 FN8 plus SX1262 appears as an option in the computer components space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. What stands out is the multi-radio approach. Having Wi-Fi, BLE, and LoRa on a single board means you can switch between local monitoring and long-range remote sensing without changing your hardware base. For those who hate dealing with external programmers, the onboard USB UART bridge is a major plus. You can plug it directly into your computer to start testing your code almost immediately. The listed price is $20.23, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Think of this for remote weather stations, industrial status monitoring, or even a low-power digital badge. It is meant to stay on for long periods without draining your battery. Overall, LoRa wireless paper ESP32-S3 FN8 plus SX1262 could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Before you decide, make sure to check your specific pin requirements. While this board is feature-rich, verify that your sensors have enough GPIOs available once the display and LoRa module are connected. Do not treat this as the only answer. Compare it with similar products and look for the best balance between usefulness, price, and verified details. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. It is currently listed around $20, which reflects an 18% discount. For a project-ready module with this feature set, it is a competitive price point in the current market. Before treating LoRa wireless paper ESP32-S3 FN8 plus SX1262 as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are looking for a reliable, all-in-one IoT display module, this could be a great fit. Take a moment to compare the specs with your current build, check the latest availability, and see if it aligns with your goals.